It's an uncomfortable and noisy habit that's one of the most common in the world. Teeth grinding can cause irreparable damage and long-term health problems.
And tonight, a Perth dentist is urging people to get help as soon as they notice the signs.
Lee Pragnell used to hate smiling, self-conscious about his teeth that were badly damaged from grinding. Now he can't stop.
Big wide smile for me, Lee.
The 50-year-old electrician's teeth were cracked and brittle, and he had jaw pain. Seeing a video of himself, the push he finally needed to see a dentist.
Oh, I thought, geez, I look awful, you know, really. I thought, I've got to do something about this.
6 months and a set of porcelain veneers later, he's a new man.
I'm looking in the mirror going, God damn, you look good, eh?
Dr. Adrian says teeth grinding can be caused by stress, airway issues, even some medication, and can leave irreversible damage if not caught early.
It's the worn down teeth, it's the fact that you start chipping or breaking teeth, the teeth start getting sensitive, you can split or crack a tooth, we can sometimes see a tooth actually just fall apart.
It's estimated up to 90% of the population will grind their teeth at some point in their lives, but only 10 to 20% will actually see damage inside their mouths. Dentists say for that reason, many people who do it don't even realise. If you think you grind your teeth, the advice is to see a dentist as soon as possible to help preserve a lifetime of smiles. Amelia Broon, 7 News.